Good morning, good afternoon. We are here again to do our weekly forecast on Euro USD. Based on our past week review, there was no past week review. I haven't posted on this channel for over 2 weeks now, and I have some reason for that. First, last 2 weeks I was meant to post, but I went somewhere, so I didn't come back early. So I decided to post on Monday. So, but early Monday morning, this is not an excuse. So I missed that. Last week was because I did the video, I created the video, and I tried posting it, but YouTube was saying something else. So that I have to change something intro of the first 5 letters in my file, YouTube file, the video file before posting it. So they did not accept the post. I tried it more than 5 times. So I decided to leave it. So here I am to post the new week review on Euro USD, because you guys know that this is only directional bias. This is not just a signal or trade idea. This is a directional bias. Euro USD directional bias, new week directional bias, both daily, 4 hours and 1 hour directional bias. That's what I'm doing here. So all you guys have to do is to do what, stay focused and do what, and watch and pick one or two stocks that you will need on this new coming week. Then you do what, you go with your entry criteria. Just know the direction the EU is going. This is what I'm doing here. That's what I'm doing here. Then you go with your entry criteria and your edge. So that's it. So let's move to daily time frame here. Let's move to daily time frame. Daily time frame. Okay, this is it. Okay, I thought this was okay. So this is it. So as you guys all know that we are still bullish on this year, this time frame, on this daily time frame, we are still bullish. Just that market is doing this normal pullback to its current range. So, but I just noticed something, that price have already reached its 50% discount, but yet it haven't taken this internal liquidity, internal range liquidity. This is the internal range liquidity, this low. I'm expecting price to take out this daily time frame internal range liquidity before doing what. But since price have already reached the 50% discount, and we have available POI demand zone here, I'm anticipating that price might use it to do what, to take its recent daily time frame swing high. So right now, what I'm anticipating, I have two scenario here I'm anticipating on daily time frame from EU. I have two scenario. This is the first one. This is the first one. This market just created inducement for this demand zone. You see, the second one is this. The second scenario. This is the second scenario from me. This is the second scenario. So this is my scenario on daily time frame. Yeah. So just screenshots and take it down, or go to your chart and take and look for why. You guys know the reason I said that price might obey this first one. First, price have reached the discount price of this actual current daily time frame range. Secondly, second scenario is that this is the only internal range liquidity in this day time frame. So it's a little bit high probable on price taking it out. So the only thing you have to do this coming week, let's move to 4 hours time frame. Since you guys know that I'm just giving you guys directional bias on what EU will do. The only thing you have to do in these 4 hours, in this new coming week, is to know what is to focus on sales this coming week, because I know by before London section on Monday, you might reach here to complete its pullback. You might say something like this, maybe on Monday, who knows? What I know is that EU have to take this out, because a lot of people might be will be thinking that this is a QM for price to continue to use one or two demand zone from here to continue his, but I think saw this as a trap. I see this thing as a trap. Yeah, this is a pure liquidity. So this is the demand zone. I'm expecting the reaction from Euro USD. So once price complete this, and and you see price going up or reach here, then you have to bear it in mind that any outcome that comes in does not, you just have to take the trade anyhow. I don't know how to put it, but you entering any trade from here, from this zone here, you have to be extraordinary careful, because this zone might be taken out with a full force with a good buy momentum, or this area might be a supply zone to continue its downtrend movements. So this our weekly EU analysis might be very short, because it's a little bit complicated, but you guys have to manage it. So the main thing here is to do what? Is to know your entry criteria and follow your trading rules, and apply a good risk management this coming new week, because this my focus here is just a directional bias on Euro USD. You just have to go with your entry criteria and your edge. So that's the most important thing. Know your risk and know your edge. Know what you are risking on every trade you want to enter. So that's it. Yeah. So I think we are done here. Please, and please. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. This is just for educational purpose. This is an educational content. It's for educational purposes only. Any risk you take from this analysis or this thing that I said here, you have to bear it on yourself. You get? So I am not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you guys my directional bias on Euro USD. So that's it. Just go with your trading edge, go with your risk management plan, obey everything, and sky will be your limit. I think you are done here. I wish you guys a good wait. Please, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please click the subscription button, like this video, and drop your comments on the comment section. If you have seen faults on my videos, you have to drop it. Please drop it. Or if you have suggestion on things to change or things to add, just drop it. I would love to see your replies. And thank you guys for watching, and I wish you all a good and nice trading week ahead. God bless you. Wish you all a profitable week.